Father only. Hallelujah. So the Messiah is giving us more insight of the end times. Okay. The previous video, we talked about how the Messiah, when he comes, he's going to gather the chosen ones. All right. This is right after the Great Tribulation that both believers and non-believers will face. It talks about the signs that will happen in the heavens. Sun will darken, moon will not give us light. And Joel 2:31 talks about how it's going to be like red, like blood. The stars will be falling, heavens will shake, all these miraculous things, and the angel will come. As the Son of Man appears, the angel will come and blow the